Hello all. So today we are going to learn about the automatic port mapping in Docker. So in the last video, we have created the Docker container and Docker image by using tomee image. But if you remember, while creating the Docker container, we provided the port numbers manually. So today we are doing the same way, but we will not assign the port manually. So system will automatically assign the port number to our container. So let's start. So I'll just create a container first, docker run minus name, let's say C1, and then we will see how we assign the port number manually in the last session quickly. So this is the command docker run dash dash name C1 minus P, and we have to provide the port numbers here manually, then minus D, so that the logs will be continue in the background, and you have to provide the name of your image. So it will create the C1 container with tomee as an image. So here, if you see, we have assigned the port number manually, that is 7070 and 8080. So if you check the status for your C1 container, you can see the 7070 port number is assigned to our C1 container. Now the similar set of action we can perform by changing some commands in our system so that it will automatically assign the port number. So let's do that. Let's create a other container, maybe C2 container. And here, instead of small p, we have to give the capital P if you want to assign the port number automatically. And rest of the commands will be same, but you don't have to mention the port number here because capital P will take care of it in the background. So I'll just mention the image name here. So instead of tomee, maybe we can go with the nginx image, so that we can see which port number assigned to this nginx image or this C2 container automatically by the system. So I'm just making enter here. So it is creating the container C2. Let's verify this once it is created. So I'll just clear it. Then we can check how many images are created. So you can see there are 2 images. And if you want to check the port number for your nginx image or maybe C2, let's do that by docker container ls. Yeah. Okay, something is missing. Docker container ls. Okay, you can see we have created 2 containers, C1 and C2, with nginx and tomee as a image. So here, if you see, system has automatically mapped the 32768 port number to our nginx image. So by using the capital P in the normal command, we can assign the port numbers automatically to the docker. So that's all for today. You can delete these containers or delete these images once the work or hands-on is completed. Okay, see you soon in next video. Thank you all.